Hello guys, welcome to Taste Taste. We're gonna be tasting the whatever this is. Okay. Bee bits. Oh, what is it? Mini bits. Yeah, mini bits.
There's one in here. I think it's mango or something.
Why just like throw you off?
It's like sweat.
Sis.
Black sweat is here.
Ew.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
We already tasted the black one. The black one is the best. No, black power.
Black excellent.
Yeah.
Very sour.
This is lychee. No, they have like a durian in it. Hopefully it tastes nice. There's
What's
white.
a durian?
It's like, isn't it? It's like that one fruit that's like stinky, I think.
Where's a lychee? A guava?
No?
In a peach?
This one, yeah.
No, it's a melon.
No, that's not the melon.
A green melon.
Let me see. Picora.
What? Where?
That one's actually not that bad.
Because you guys are not even tasting it individually.
Isn't that a sweet melon?
Yeah. This is a durian.
Okay, then I'm probably gonna confuse with that.
So what? A blueberry. I like this one.
You're not even in. You must do it.
I like this one. You must put this sound. Pow! Hi guys. Welcome to our candy salad. I brought the green money bits. Can you look please? No, I brought the black money bits. It's in the bucket now. I just need a pink one. Can I do that? Come please.
This one.
Okay. This is what
There's
it's
one in here that
We
tastes
still
mad good. Where is that from?
We still have this one, the bubblegum one, but this is the little one we're waiting for patiently. And this is the mixture. Okay? ASMR. Genesis, I don't know what I want to go.
No, I got what you mean about the one tasting like tomato sauce. Like it doesn't taste like tomato sauce. There's like, like when you eat the McDonald's burger and then like the tomato sauce like with the pickle or whatever they put on it. It kind of tastes like that combination.
I didn't take
See?
that one. What did I?
Well, I don't know. The end, because we can't taste the pink one yet. We're waiting for Alita.
And it doesn't close, guys.
Yeah, we're busy studying, so yeah. Clock the educational tea. Bye bye.
I'm speaking.
What? You're a bit too far.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah, it's really nice. I was like waiting for you.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I want that part. I'm gonna sing. When you carry on. It's like, oh, is that it?
Say hello, guys.
Hi.
These are the people that are making fun of me for wanting to watch K-dramas while eating Korean ramyun. Like, can you believe it, guys? Can you believe it? Can you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe in love of love? I see you be a big black. Guys, I'm at school and stuff like a classroom waiting for my friend to finish her tutorial. I was in a classroom and I thought it was just like a random people that were just there, check out. Turns out it was a classroom, so yeah, I had to move. Yeah, right now I'm just looking for like cases and stuff for my tablet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, it's me and I'm here with. Give a fake name.
Diamond.
Yes, I'm here with the diamond in the rough. all the refined diamond. We're on our way to.
Diamond in the rough.
No, that's what I said. All the refined. That's not what I meant.
Unprocessed diamond. Raw diamond.
Okay, so now we are on our way to.
The food truck.
Yeah, we'll just call it the food market.
Yeah.
They're gonna have a bunch of stuff. I saw that they had burgers.
They have boba. I need boba.
They have boba.
I
Okay.
think last time they had boba.
Okay. How much?
Tasted like nonsense.
How much do you think you're gonna spend? Okay.
You know how I am. Okay.
What's our budget?
My card says I only have 47, but 6, 7.
I don't know. I'll have to see. Cause the thing is, with the food trucks here, this stuff is like astronomically
exactly like-
expensive.
Another thing is like you want to find the stuff again.
Yeah, that's
Like
the
I
thing.
barely see them again.
Because the thing is, like for me, like one thing I really want to try is like the corn dog, and usually they have this. But imagine paying
Corn dog,
80
corn dog,
rand,
corn dog.
80
It's that
rand for one
sausage.
corn dog.
That's dipped in flour and then fried.
Yeah,
Oh.
that has like either sausage or cheese or stuff. Because like I've been wanting to try it, but every single time, that boy reminded me of somebody from school. Dang. Not traumatizing. It's just like I haven't seen him in a while. Like I totally forgot about it. He was like so weird, but like so funny at the same time.
That child.
Yes, about that girl. Because I don't know what happened, but like after high school, I just completely forgot like almost everybody. Or like
That's
I
a
can
good
imagine
thing.
somebody, but I can't remember their name. And it's like, oh,
Wait, how many were you guys?
we were a lot in a grade. We were quite a lot. That is very true indeed. I'll be back with you in a few seconds. Shola, there's a candy. Oh, let me see that. With like the tahid and I saw somebody with chippies. So we looked around and now we're kind of just deciding on what to get. Have you decided on yourself? You haven't. Why are you just looking? I want to get a phone number more that I want to have. Like, just she's happy with the drinks. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. I am not feeling the best. However, yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Whoa. I am still not feeling well. I am going to quickly clean the house. Okay, so I just finished cleaning a while ago and I realized that I had an assignment due at 11. It is currently 8 and I forgot about it low-key for a little while. So I'm gonna quickly go in there and deal with that quickly because yeah. Okay, so I just finished. I just looked at my emails because like these past few days I haven't been going through my emails at all because yeah. What am I planning on doing right now? I'm gonna take a nice small bath and I'm gonna eat. And then yeah. Study. Yeah, I'm gonna get back out box tomorrow. Hopefully I did good because if you didn't, you're allowed to write the sixth test on Friday. But Lord, bro, I need to blow my nose. Wondering if I want to eat, do the dishes, shower, then go to bed, or shower, eat, do the day. No, because then my hands is gonna get wet. And yeah, I'm gonna eat, shower, then into the bed we go. Into the bed we go. It is almost 6 p.m. 8:16. Guys, this morning, don't feel too bad. I surprisingly look quite good on the camera, but earlier on I was having a little bit of an identity crisis because, yeah, no, I just thought, who the bus is coming? I just felt like I didn't look like me, and I was getting a false alarm that wasn't even the bus. Guys, I almost missed my stop. I'm actually feeling tired already sooner than I expected, but I'm gonna message my friends to see if they're here already. I did arrive quite early, but I just wanted to like get to school, you know, study, get stuff over and done with, and then go home and revise.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Janet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Janet.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. We are going to be looking at our gov box. Wait, first, usually I look through my paper and see the ticks, then I look at the actual box. So how do you guys want to do it?
First we look at the mark.
Okay. One. Wait, hold on. We're not all in. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Lock that.
Of course.
I needed this.
Pause.
Well, I just angry because I knew that there was information that I could have added in.
Question mark.
I'm really not going to say. I'm trying to say.
Because the thing is, there's only ticks and no crosses, so it was just like a lack of information. Just added that I didn't make a mistake. Yeah, bye guys.
Candace,
Oh,
you must I go at the bottom?
oh, sorry. See, they should put one on like the female side because it makes more sense. It's the end of the day. It's the end of the day. And, on my way home, it actually sucked so much that we're done today. I'm on my way home. To be honest, after not sleeping the whole night, I just want to sleep. And I know that like on the bus, I'm gonna have to like